Hello there, just wanted to show you a quick little hack I've discovered. So I'm currently running X-Air Edit on a Windows laptop. The laptop is connected to an XR18 digital mixer via an external router. It's hardwired to the router, and I have also a tablet here that is wirelessly connected to the same router, so Wi-Fi from the tablet. It's not wired in. What I have been able to do is make this tablet a secondary monitor for this laptop. I kind of was keen on the idea of having a second monitor for, say, utilities. We could get the buses and put them over here on this monitor. We could get the meter there. What else? RTA. That could go on here as well. But I certainly don't want to have to carry around a monitor to my gig. You can see that the touch screen applies, and there it's controlling monitor 1 as I slide up and down with my finger there. So quite useful. The tablet still operates as a its normal app, so I've got Mixing Station Pro running there. Go to the main left, right, and you can see that all of those faders are doing their thing. So how did I do this? Well, I'm running on this laptop here a driver called Spacedesk driver, and on the tablet I'm running a Spacedesk application for Android. The website, as I'll get a screenshot up here, is spacedesk.net, and you download the driver for the machine that you want to connect to, and there is also an app for Android or iPad to extend this monitor here. So there you go. I hope that's been of some use to somebody. I found it really interesting and quite useful. Okay, cheers.